So we're in Fresno, California, and we're out here trying to eliminate some vibration, some noise on this existing Rinnai water heater. We came out here, March, maybe, not real sure, but this, we came out and installed a flush kit for the homeowner. So that's the Noritz flush kit, so hot and cold, and so we did all that and tied it all back in, got some flexible connectors on the hot and the cold. Relief valve was tied back in, you can see there with the union and the hard copper. The problem is when they turn this on, there's a horrible noise inside the home. Not sure whether it's just noise from the unit firing up or whether it was vibration from being mounted to the back side of this wall. So this is the bedroom on the other side. So we're trying to eliminate what it is, and the way to start, of course, is to try and get some isolation in there. What you've got is a 1/4-inch rubber washers in there. They're 1/8 inch thick, and there's 2 on each side. So a total of 8 rubber washers, and you can see they're compressed, but now the metal bracket is off of the wall, so it's not touching the wall anymore. Same thing on the bottom, harder to see down in there. Maybe you can see that's kind of fuzzy. That's kind of fuzzy. Come on, get in there. And well, it's down there, and can't get a picture from here either. It's kind of hard because we're in the shade and it's wanting to focus on something else, but anyways, they're in there. So gaskets up top, gaskets on the bottom. We did go ahead and we remounted this pipe cover, and that normally sits on the wall and mounts to the wall, which defeats the purpose of, you know, taking the unit off the wall. So we slid it all the way forward with the adjustment screw. Put another screw up here just so that it wouldn't fall down against the wall. You can see there's some holes in the bottom where they're supposed to be mounted. You can see a hole right here, and then another hole right back there. So that guy you're supposed to mount, but I don't know what's in the wall. I know you got some backing up here for the mounting screws, and then up top of the unit, but down here it's probably just stucco. So you'd need to either get some screws that are going to hold in that, or some some molly bolts to put in there, and then again same kind of gaskets. And we just got these over at Orchards, so they're just a 1/4 inch thick. You can see 5/16, so you can get quarter by quarter by 1/8 thick. Or even, you know, 5/16 by 1/4, a little bit bigger of a hole there, and then just pop them in there behind this cover, you know, right back here. Pop them in there and screw it in. Anyways, one thing we did have to do is the relief valve was hard piped. Number one, it wouldn't allow us to move the unit away from the wall to get the washers in down here. Secondly, it's hard piped, and so with hard pipe, all the vibration of the unit would translate to the pipe, which in turn goes in the wall and mounts to the structure. So now it's all flexible. So added a corrugated stainless steel tubing, took off the dielectric union right there, soldered on an adapter, and now we have another 15-inch Falcon stainless steel connector. You can see right there, Falcon stainless steel. Anyways, hopefully that eliminates the problem. We're going to have them fired up, take a listen. If it does, great. If not, the only thing you can do is remove this from the wall in the form of whatever mounting you want to do out here. You can get some steel posts, a wood post, anything, get it concreted into the ground, make sure it's off of the wall a couple inches, and then get this thing mounted. And there's lots of ways to do it, so I won't try and direct you as to that, but when it's all said and done, lag bolts, you know, need to go back into wood, so you need at least 8 inches wide, you know, so you can get that screwed in. Not sure what to do out here, but we'll go knock on the door and see how it goes. Outside of that, this installation is done.